Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. So this is the great relief for everyone, the city of Delhi, everyone enjoying, and we all have been receiving the encouraging. Thank God we have a great relief from the encouraging heat, and I also couldn't prevent myself, and I have just come out. Look, the water is everywhere. There is a downpour and the vehicles are going and coming. Let me reach the other part, but the atmosphere, I mean the scene is really pleasant, because after a long time we have watched the heavy rain, and as per the meteorological department they have already updated, we keep receiving continuous rain or the heavy rain on regular basis. Look, this is the place where the water is going past, and it is the main road of my place, and this has a completely full, and the water is continuously passing in this drainage. So let me reach the other part. Yes, I need to careful as well. Yes, I am careful, and yes. uh, yes, people are going their places. If you look at all the vehicles, their tires are almost in the water, but yes, people have a work, and this is the beauty of the city. Whatever that happens, the city cannot stop. Everyone is working, everyone is going their their places, either to go for the work, maybe some they are going to catch their children because in a school time as well. So there's look at the another iron, there's another person, he is pulling, and there is a scooter man. He has come to stop. He says, "Via, don't worry, I'll help you. I'll push this," and he start pushing. If you look at, so yes, the helping, and he hasn't pushed. Now he is working hard. If we look the Thar is the Thar person. He is enjoying. Oh, wow. And there is a Delhi Jal Board. He is yes. Some places the people are facing and the shortage of the drinking water. So the water is also passing. Okay, let me reach the another part, and I will show you some other images of this. Uh, if you can see, some of the ladies, they are also come out with an umbrella. Actually they are now waiting for their children. Look at the another lady, she is also with an umbrella. So you may find many ladies with have come for an umbrella. Actually they are waiting for the school, so that they can carry their children to cover them and go to home. Look, uh, look at this couple. They have already covered, I think, yes, covered by the raincoat. Yes, the city, the beauty of the city, everyone is going out, and the atmosphere is really very pleasant. So now I am going to my place. Yes, look, all the shops are open, and I just want to eat something. Let me reach this place.